Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to withdraw from Quantum Wallet. In my previous video, I talked about their staking program where you can stake your USDT and earn 18% in 30 days. And the good thing about this staking program is that it is very flexible and you can terminate it and maybe withdraw your capital or your profits at any point in time. If you missed the video or you just want to watch the video again, just click on this pop-up and it's going to take you to the video for a step-by-step guide on how to be a part of this staking program. And you also have to note that this is a risky investment. So 15 days ago, I participated in ATS, which is Quantum Wallet staking program. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make withdrawals. So I'm actually going to be withdrawing live, so you can see it for yourself. So I'm going to click on ATS and then I'm going to click on the record button at the top right corner. Then I'm going to click on redeem. Right, I can equally allow this to run for maybe complete 30 days or for as long as possible. Right, so if I go to wallet, in my wallet you can see that in the past 15 days I've been able to earn $9, which is 9%, and in 30 days, if I allow it to run for 30 days, I would be able to earn $18. I want to terminate. Like I said earlier, it is very flexible and you can choose when exactly you want to opt out. So I'm going to click on ATS. I'll click on this button and then I'm just going to click on redeem. I'm going to input my PIN code. So you can see, congratulations, successful redemption. And at the moment I don't have any record of staking, so I'm going to go to my wallet and then you can see that I now have $109. So I'm just going to click on the USDT, and then if you were staking using BEP20 network, make sure that you send in some fractions of BNB, maybe $1 like I did. You can see I just sent this in a few minutes ago, and this BNB is going to help me to be able to initiate the withdrawal. So I'll click on USDT and then I'm going to click on transfer and then I will paste my wallet address. So I'm going to click on all because I'm looking to withdraw everything. I'm going to click on confirm again, input my PIN code, transfer successful. I also have another withdrawal to make from this wallet. So I'm going to switch to TRX network. So I've been earning some commissions as a result of some people using my link to stake on this platform. And on TRX chain, I have $6. So I'm going to initiate the withdrawal now. And then I also have some TRX worth about $1. So some part of this TRX is going to serve as a withdrawal fee. So I'm going to click on the USDT. I'll copy my TRC20 wallet address and I'll go to the wallet. I'll click on transfer, paste the wallet address. I'll click on all. I'll click on confirm. So the fee for the withdrawal is $1. So I have successfully been able to initiate 2 withdrawals. Let us see how long this is going to take. So the last withdrawal took place around 4:40 p.m. Let us see how long it's going to take before it arrives my Bybit account. You can see that both transactions is on its way to my wallet. So in the next couple of minutes, I should be able to receive $108 and $5 in my Bybit account. This is a risky investment. You have to make sure you do your due diligence, do your research. This is not a financial advice. Should you invest on this platform, you have to be ready to take full responsibility of whatever outcome you are going to be getting. I will not be held responsible. And note, I am not your financial advisor. This is just for informational and educational purposes and not a financial advice. If you need other means of making money without trading, then you have to check out my video where I talked about copy trading. So with copy trading, you are actually going to be copying my trades and be making money anytime I initiate trades. So it's actually forex trading. So if you missed the video, just click on this pop-up and it will take you to the video, and the video would guide you on how to copy my trades. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comments below, and I'm going to be there chatting with you. If you are yet to join our Telegram channel, do well to use the link in the description of this video or in the comments below to join, and I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe right now. Turn on post notification so you don't miss out on important updates. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.